Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, get excited because we got the first spoiler for the April BoxyCharm base box. And there's also future brands that are confirmed to be in future BoxyCharm boxes. And I've got those for you too. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified. You don't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was the Deck of Scarlet number 17 March palette. Congratulations, Trap Drip. Trap says, amazing content. Well, thank you, Trap. I really appreciate that, honey. And I thank you so much for coming and watching the video. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first, I think I'm going to make y'all wait. Not really. I mean, there's still spoilers. So first, I'm going to show you what brands are confirmed to be in some future 2020 BoxyCharm boxes. So first brand up is Hourglass, which that is so exciting. I love Hourglass. They have some really elegant, classy products. I really do like that brand. And next up, I think is even better, Kevin Aquan. Wow. I love his brand. I've only got a couple of things from Kevin Aquan, but you know what? Those couple of things are some of my favorite products. So I do love the products that I've got so far. So I can't wait to see what else they got from him. Next up is Natasha Denona. And of course, everybody knows she has got some expensive stuff, but they're really good. I've heard a lot of good reviews. I personally don't have anything by Natasha Denona. Wish I did. But Lord, how mercy, that'd put me in the hole right now. And then last but certainly not least is Sunday Riley. Now, we've seen this in the box before, but they just wanted to go ahead and confirm that there will be more of it. So can't wait to see what they got from them. All right, guys, now for that April spoiler. Now, again, this is going to be for the BoxyCharm base box. So these are 2 things right here. So, guys, I'm going to show you a clip from Joe after I tell you what it is. But I'm still going to show you the clip from Joe showing you these products. So, guys, in the base box, you're either going to get the Benefit Cosmetics Professional, either the original smoothing primer, or you're going to get the hydrating primer. And I know the original one is good. I'd like to try that hydrating one. I bet it is really good. I love Benefit primers. All right, guys, now here's the clip that Joe posted.
Sneak peek for April. So we're going to start having Benefit in our box. Great brand. Very happy to have them. And you guys should all have either this one, this primer.
So tell me what y'all think. Which one do you want? The original one, or do you want that hydrating one? And have you tried that hydrating one? I would love to know how that works, because that's one I haven't tried. So if you've tried it, let me know how it is below. And as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Indecence. Indecent says, those bags are cute. I may have to resub to Ipsy. Well, honey, you better get while the getting's good, because it looks like these boxes are going to be amazing. Especially those Ipsy bags. I think they're really cute for April. And I thank you so much for supporting my channel and coming to watch the video. I love you, girl. Now remember, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, please double check. Make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube keeps unsubscribing people, just taking them away like flies sticking to a fly sticker thing, whatever. Anyways, if you would double check that, make sure. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. One more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.